Hey everyone, today I've got something super exciting to share with you. African folktale stories. Videos has been blowing up all over YouTube lately. You've probably noticed that African folktale story channels are absolutely skyrocketing in popularity. Like this creator pulling in huge numbers of views, creating folktales, stories, videos, and earning over $2,000 in just 1 month. And the best part is, these videos are created with free AI tools. That's right, you don't need expensive software or technical skills to get started. With a few simple steps, you can create your own stunning and engaging African folktale videos that capture the rich storytelling traditions of the continent. And it's not just limited to African folktales. The same method works for American, British, Asian, or any other folklore stories you want to create. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create these folktale videos using AI completely for free. By the end of this video, you could be the next creator earning thousands of dollars from your storytelling videos. Now let's get started. The first step to creating an awesome folktale video is having a great storyline, something that grabs attention and keeps your audience hooked from start to finish. And we're going to use ChatGPT to help us craft that perfect storyline. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to create an engaging African folktale story script for your video. You don't need to worry about coming up with ideas yourself because ChatGPT will handle all of that for you. Once you type in your request, just wait for a few seconds and ChatGPT will start weaving together a unique and captivating storyline. As you can see, the script that ChatGPT has given us is incredible. Now that we've gotten our storyline for our African folktale video, the next step is to transform the script into a professional-sounding voiceover. This is where ElevenLabs comes in, a fantastic AI-powered tool for generating natural-sounding speech. Open up your browser and head over to ElevenLabs.io. Once you're there, click on Get Started button and create an account. It's a simple process, and once you're set, go back to ChatGPT where we generated our African folktale script and copy the entire storyline. Then return to ElevenLabs and paste the script into the speech synthesis box. Now click on Voices. We need to choose the right voice to match the tone and feel of our story. At first, you'll see some basic voice options. However, since we're creating an African folktale, we'll need to find a voice with an African accent. Click on Find More Voices, and this will bring up a library of different voice options with a variety of accents and tones. Take your time exploring the available voices. Each one will have a unique feel, and you want to choose one that not only sounds great, but also fits the mood and style of your folktale story video. Once you've found the perfect voice you prefer, click on it to select it. Then hit Generate and wait for ElevenLabs to work its magic. The AI will process the script and produce a natural-sounding voiceover that aligns with the accent and tone you've chosen. As you can see, our voiceover has now been generated and it sounds amazing. Now you can download the file directly to your device. The next step is to generate stunning images for our video, and we're going to use Leonardo.ai to bring our African folktale to life visually. This tool is perfect for creating high-quality cinematic images that will really capture the essence of our story. Open your browser and search for Leonardo.ai. Once you're on the website, click on the Get Started and create an account. If you haven't created an account yet, it's a quick and easy process. Then click on Image and you will be presented with this interface. Now let's fine-tune the settings to make sure we get the best possible images for our story. Click on Settings, change the preset style to Cinematic. Next, set the image dimensions to desktop. Now that the settings are in place, head back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create a list of image prompts for our African folktale story video. Once ChatGPT generates the list of prompts, review them carefully. If you're not completely satisfied with the initial suggestions, don't worry. You can easily ask ChatGPT for new prompts or more specific ideas. The AI can adjust based on what you're looking for. Now that we've got the prompts sorted out, copy the first prompt. Then head back to Leonardo.ai and paste it into the text box. Then click on Generate and let the AI work its magic. Leonardo.ai will process the prompt and start creating a high-quality cinematic image based on the description you provided. As you can see, the images Leonardo.ai has generated look fantastic. Go through the images and pick the ones that fit your vision for the video and download the best one directly to your device. Now do the same process to create the rest of the images for our video. If you've made it this far into the video, please take a quick moment to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Doing this makes the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you valuable content like this. Alright, now let's get back to the video. The next step is getting background music for our video, and we'll be using Stream Beats, which is an excellent resource for royalty-free, non-copyrighted music. This way, we can enhance the storytelling in our folktale without worrying about any copyright strikes or issues with our YouTube account. Open your browser and head over to streambeats.com. Once you are there, click on Download Track Files. Then you'll be taken to a library filled with different albums, each one containing a variety of tracks across multiple genres. Now take your time to browse through the different albums. The key here is to find music that complements the mood of your video. Once you've found a track that you think will work perfectly, go ahead and download the track directly to your device. Now that we've got everything we need, which are voiceover, images, and background music, it's time to bring it all together with editing. And for this final step, we'll be using CapCut, a user-friendly tool that makes editing easy. Head over to CapCut and click on New Project, and import all the images we generated from Leonardo.ai. Once they're uploaded, click on Aspect Ratio and selecting the YouTube format. This ensures your video is optimized for YouTube's display. Next, we're going to import the voiceover we created using ElevenLabs. Listen carefully to the voiceover and start arranging the images so they sync perfectly with the narration. Each image should match the corresponding part of the story, creating a smooth visual flow. Now import the background music we downloaded from Stream Beats. And once it's in the timeline, lower the volume slightly so that the music doesn't overpower the voiceover. Next, let's add some polish to our video by using transitions. Go to the overlay options and apply smooth transitions between clips to make the flow seamless. After that, we'll apply a zoom out effect to each clip for a dynamic visual experience. Select the first clip, add a keyframe at the beginning, then move to the end of the clip. Stretch it a little to add another keyframe and creates a smooth zoom out effect. Repeat this process for all your clips to give your video a more professional feel. Now let's add some animations to all the clips. Animations will give your video more depth and movement, keeping viewers engaged throughout. Now it's time for captions. Click on Text, select Auto Captions, pick a template you like, then click Generate, and in just a few moments, CapCut will automatically generate captions for your video. Review them to make sure everything looks good and adjust if needed. Now click on Export and increase the video resolution to 4K for the best quality, and download the video to your device. And that's it. Let's take a look at our final result.
In a village tucked between mountains and rivers lived a poor boy named Kofi. He had no family, no wealth, only a heart full of hope and hands that worked hard. Though Kofi had little, he was known for his kindness. Every day he helped his neighbors, shared what little food he had, and worked harder than anyone else. One day while wandering in the forest, Kofi found a mysterious stone glowing under a tree. The stone was magical. A wise old man appeared and said, "This stone grants wisdom, not gold. Use it well and the wealth of the world will follow." Kofi used the stone's wisdom to teach his people how to farm better, build stronger homes, and live in harmony with nature. Soon the village prospered, and as the village grew, so did Kofi's influence. Until one day, he became not only the wealthiest man in the land, but its king. From a boy with nothing, Kofi became a king with everything, because he understood that the greatest wealth comes from helping others. And so the boy who was once poor became rich, in ways no gold could ever buy.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and let me know what you think about the video in the comment section.